Hi, I'm going to apologize in advance, but I thought I'd make a video out of this. We just had a bit of an incident. I didn't prepare properly while I was plugging stuff back in. I have a bit of an inverter set up over here. I don't know how to reference this. Our lithium batteries didn't catch on fire. They're out there. I'll show you them in a second. But we did have a lot of smoke from our wires. You see, drill is what helped me get that wire off. It's like, at least 5 feet away from everything else. And, just toss the batteries out because I know batteries are a problem right now. And, yeah. I was talking about stuff and just doing stuff, and all of a sudden smoke came up. It came from these two battery charger clamps, which aren't on the batteries, but they have 120 volt extension cord, which isn't the proper stuff, but it goes up to my inverter lugs that aren't being used and charges the battery through that. But it obviously had more than what it's supposed to deliver going through it, because whenever I had them in, parallel, positive to positive, negative to negative together, right there and right there touched and melted all the insulation, and then eventually up there just became a jumbled mess, and then it all just shorted out. And then I tried to just shake, but nothing ever happened to make them dislodge because I didn't realize all this insulation was already off. So, if you're asking, why do I just have clamps in there touching nothing? No, I had them on this box, but I needed them on a battery to charge them up to the same voltage. You see, I was literally just doing stuff. Voltage meter, drill literally underneath my chair that I was sitting on. Lights on, everything's just out. About. And now my lithium batteries are out there as well, so. And that's it. It's just a mess. Shop smells like absolute melted rubber, if you know what that smells like. But it's nasty. Probably because our air return vent is right there. So, yeah. But I'm not going with this approach anymore. I'm about to have some rack batteries come in the mail soon-ish. If you want me to make a video of those whenever I get them and get my new inverter set up and all that, you might just want to make a comment of it and tell me how I should tweak it and add new things and see what I need to do so that this doesn't happen to it. Like rack batteries, larger inverter for sure, because I don't think this inverter wants to be standing up to its claims. I mean, it works for good stuff, but it can't run big things. I'll show you the batteries real fast. Put them out here because if they wanted to explode, that would be a bad thing. These batteries are actually really good batteries, though. D-Power, I can't explain it, but got two of them. I had them in series. No, parallel. I don't know those two. I know what they do, but I don't know how to explain them. I just ran them out here in case they wanted to explode on me. But, both 13.5 volts. So, yeah. Just gonna take you back in and catastrophe. Make sure all your wires are secured to where they don't touch. Lesson learned. Just thought I'd share with you so you don't end up doing it if you ever have a off-grid setup. Hansley, out.